How to fix suspicious login in Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the suspicious login problem on Snapchat. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, let's start with the method 1, that is to verify your account. So here, just open the Snapchat app, and now here, let's say if you're logged out of your Snapchat account, then what you can do is on the login page, you can just enter your username and password, and Snapchat may ask you to verify your identity. So there you can just choose phone number or email address, and there you can enter the verification code you received, and after verification you should be able to log in. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to turn off the VPN. So here, just in case if you're using the VPN, then Snapchat may think that the login is suspicious. So simply turn off the VPN and connect to your normal internet network. And after that, you can try logging in again. And with that, moving forward to the method 3, that is to reset your password. So here what you can do is just open the Snapchat app on your phone, and here once you're inside the login section, what you can do is just enter your username, email, and after that you can just tap on forget your password. And on the pop-up menu you can just choose via phone or email, and after that you can just follow the on-screen steps to create a new password. And with that, just the important tip is that you can avoid using third-party apps or plugins because they can trigger the suspicious login error too. And that's it. That's how you can fix the suspicious login issue on Snapchat. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.